Are you ready to take your marketplace to the next level? Imagine launching a fully functional mobile app without any coding. With Journeyhorizon's template, you can achieve just that. Picture this: your users can access powerful features like user profiles, listings, and transactions all from their mobile devices. It's available for both iOS and Android, allowing you to publish with ease. Your app will receive continuous upgrades for maintenance and new features, so you can focus on growing your business. Plus, with Journeyhorizon's no-code builder, managing your marketplace is seamless across devices. Now is the time to act. Start your 14-day free trial with Journeyhorizon today, and transform your marketplace into a mobile app. Don't miss out.